Hi, I'm Sam from Triumph London, and we're going to go through the basic oil level check on this Tiger Sport 660. So first things first, you need to get your bike nice and warmed up, and then once it's warmed up, wait about 2 minutes to let it cool down so the oil level gets to where it needs to be. So the most important thing really is making sure the bike's upright. So if you haven't got a bench or a stand, get someone to help you so they can hold it up for you and get the right level reading. So on this particular bike, you check the oil level with this dipstick here. So we unscrew the dipstick and pull it out, and then we can see where the oil's sitting. So this one's actually low. So on this particular model, Triumph want it to be at the top level there, so you can see we're going to need to top it up. So to top up the oil on this one, we're going to remove the oil filler cap here. So we're going to fill it up little bit by little bit, and then just keep checking the level as we put more oil in. So now we've put more oil in, we're going to check the dipstick again. You can see we're still not quite where we want to be. So we're checking it again, and we can see we're exactly where we want to be. So on other bikes, you've got a sight glass in the side, which you can check the oil level from. So on this particular bike, the oil level wants to be between these two lines, so it's a little bit high. If you're ever in doubt about checking your oil level or topping it up, just give us a call at Triumph London and we'll look after it for you.